stop. Hey, once everybody's phone quiet.
Yes, please turn your phones on silent. Yes, because it would be very bad for your phone to ring tonight while we're trying to have this. Welcome
Sounds like Steve Carell.
to AMP. We are going to have a great night tonight of a lot of fun, you know, Christian fun. We're going to do some contemporary type songs, including this first one that we're going to do. It's a classic, one of the best ever written. If you have your hymnals, please turn to page 127. Yes, 127.
They probably know it.
It is, while you are turning, it's the song, How Firm a Foundation. Okay? Very, very, very good song. It's written by George Keith and Anna Steck. While you are turning, how many of you have a firm foundation? I would just thank you for your participation. Now we're going to sing this. We're going to sing this a cappella tonight. That means with no instrumentation while we sing this. Okay? Let's begin. How firm a foundation.
Is this thing on?
Saints of
This thing on?
the
Can you tell? Is that live? Testing. Let's do this, baby. Let's do this.
For your
Hey, y'all hold on for a minute out here. You drilling cats over here, boy? What you doing? Let me see that book. What is this you're doing right now? I sure hoping I ain't singing, boy. I tell you what, that's nasty. That ain't no other word for it, but that's nasty. I ain't got nothing wrong with the King James Version, and that's all good and right, you know, but I think we gonna spice things up a little bit. If you know what I mean, I tell you what, we gonna amp it up. I've been drinking this junk all day. It's got me hungry. Anyway, how y'all doing tonight?
Good.
Oh, my bad. I too close to that. That's my good friend Evil Careyville too, by the way. If y'all don't know him already. Woo! You want to say a few words, Evil? Yes. Mary, I'll let you use my lapel microphone here. God bless America. Amen. Don't forget, he does bar mitzvahs, birthday parties, barbershop openings, all kinds of junk. You just let him know. Pretty much anything you pay him money, he'll do it. First-hand experience. Cut my grass on Thursday. Anyway, I just want to say good morning, Vietnam. This morning. Give a shout out to all my fallen patriots tonight. How y'all doing? Y'all ready to amp it up? Because you don't look like it. You don't look excited.
All the fallen patriots.
Y'all excited?
Oh, yeah.
I'm about to get my tater peeler out. Y'all don't get excited. Come on. Let's get excited. Let's get excited. I'm going to teach y'all a little something new tonight. I call it the Chef Jeff Slide. We're going to remix it up Chef Jeff style. It's real smooth. So y'all get on your feet for me. Get them up. Get them up. Let's get loose. Y'all need to stretch. Stretch it out. Woo! I'm feeling loose. You hold my foot for me, boy. I got to stretch. Oh, yeah. That's down. Get in there on the big line. Y'all loose? You ready to do it? I'm doing this. I'm a little nervous. Woo! All right. Let's amp it up. Let's do this. Cause it's time to get greasy, 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 greasy. Y'all get on your feet, move with me. We're gonna go fuck it out. This is Chef Jeff Slide. I'm gonna go real smooth, alright? Now everybody clap your hands. Go clap, 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 clap your hands. Alright. I'm gonna get my spatula and I'll slap somebody. Now follow my lead on this, alright? I'm gonna blow Clap your hands. Now clap, 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 clap your hands. All right, now we're gonna do the basic steps. I want y'all to follow my lead. I know y'all know this. I want to see y'all getting it down. Now slide to the left. No. Slide to the right. Take it back now, y'all. One hop this time. Right foot, left stomp. Left foot, left stomp. Now jump real smooth. Now turn it out. You turn it. Turn it out. Okay, take it back now, y'all. One hop this time. Right foot, left stomp. Left foot, left stomp. Step now, y'all. To the right. To the left. Take it back now, y'all. One hop this time. One hop this time. Right foot, 2 stomps. Left foot, 2 stomps. Think some of y'all out there not participate. It's gonna be nasty. Y'all don't participate. I tell you what. On the count of 3, we're gonna slide to the left. Y'all ready? Sorry, I got to move there for a minute. Now slide to the left. Slide to the right. Crisscross. Crisscross. Now jump real smooth. Now let's go to church. Take it back now, y'all. 2 hops this time. 2 hops this time. Oh, goodness. I need you to jump out, Mike. Y'all, right foot 2 stomps. Left foot 2 stomps. Pray on your knees. Pray on your knees. How low can you go? All the way to the floor. Like it up another side. Can you bring it to the top? Like it up another side. Woo! Step now, y'all. Step real smooth. Work it out, work it out. Step right down. Call this a cry. Woo! Y'all say swing now, yeah. Give it up for Able Careyville on the ground.
Fun, wasn't it? Don't y'all like that?
$39.95.